Hey peoples, let me ask you something brutal. If your future self could send you a message right now, would they say thank you? Or, bro, what the hell are you doing? Because most people don't ruin their 20s with one big failure. They ruin it with tiny habits they think don't matter. Let's break down the 7 habits that quietly sabotage your 20s and how to fix them before they cost you years. 1. Living in autopilot mode. You wake up, open your phone, scroll, 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 and boom, 2 hours gone. You didn't even choose how your day started. Your dopamine did. Why this ruins your 20s? You stop being the main character. You become a background extra in your own life. Fix: no phone first 30 minutes. Your brain deserves at least half an hour of peace before the chaos of the internet attacks it. Cliffhanger. Because the second your phone controls your morning, it controls your day, and eventually, your life. 2. Treating interests like they don't matter. You say you'll learn video editing someday, start a channel someday, apply for that internship someday. Someday equals never. Why this ruins your 20s? You wake up at 28 realizing you never built a single skill that can change your life. Fix: pick one skill, 10 minutes a day, every day. That alone puts you ahead of 90% of people. 3. Collecting crises. Instead of solving them, you avoid the assignment. You avoid the tough talk. You avoid the exam prep. You avoid the mess in your room. Until everything becomes one giant stress ball. Why this ruins your 20s? Small problems turn into life-changing disasters when ignored long enough. Fix: use the 2-minute courage rule. If something scares or stresses you, give it 2 minutes. Most things fall apart once you start. 4. Expecting life to make sense. Without work. Harsh truth. Your 20s feel confusing because you want clarity without effort, direction without discipline, results without sacrifice. Why this ruins your 20s? You keep waiting to feel ready, but readiness comes after starting, not before. Fix: pick a direction, commit for 30 days, evaluate, stop overthinking, start experimenting. 5. Spending time with people who drain you. In your teens, a bad friend is annoying. In your 20s, a bad friend is expensive. They waste time, kill your confidence, distract you, and derail your goals. Why this ruins your 20s? You become the average of the people you hang out with. If your circle is lost, you will be too. Fix: audit your circle. 3 categories. Givers: keep. Neutral: limit. Drainers: cut. It's harsh, but so is life. 6. Ignoring your body because it still works. Look, I get it. You're young. Your body recovers fast. But every late night, every skipped meal, every energy drink is building a future invoice. Why this ruins your 20s? Your brain, mood, focus, memory, everything depends on your body. You can't win with a tired engine. Fix: basic, non-negotiable. Sleep 7 hours. Move 20 minutes. Drink water. Eat real food at least once. That alone makes you smarter, calmer, and more productive than yesterday. 7. Waiting for motivation. Like it's a delivery package. If you only work when you feel motivated, you'll get 2 productive days a month, maybe 3, if the weather is aesthetic. Why this ruins your 20s? Your dreams stay dreams. Your habits stay inconsistent. Your life stays stuck. Fix: systems greater than feelings. Create routines that run even when you're not in a main character mood. Example: sit at your desk greater than start a 10-minute focus timer. No thinking, just start. Summary: here's your cheat code. Stop autopilot. Build one skill. Solve problems early. Take action first, clarity later. Fix your circle. Respect your body. Discipline greater than motivation. Your 20s are the builder phase, not the flexing phase, not the comparison phase, the building phase. At the end, look, you don't need to fix everything today. Just fix one habit. Tonight, do it messy. Do it scared. Do it imperfect. Your future self isn't begging you for perfection. They're begging you to just start. If this hit you even 1%, drop a fire emoji so the algorithm shows it to the right people. Comment, "I'm fixing this," if you're done repeating old habits. If you felt called out, good. Tell me which part hit you. Drop a yes if you want part 2. Save this and rewatch it the next time you feel lost. Like this so YouTube doesn't bury it. More people need this. If this helped you even a little, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm to push it further. Let's build a better you. One habit at a time. See you in the next one.